Namaste, my name is Om Shri Narsingh Kesi, and I'm making a direct appeal to the authorities of Germany. On the second day of the recent protests in Nepal, my family became victims. I had to move my children to safety and fear for our lives. Our home was burglarized, our belongings were stolen. That day left lasting trauma for my family, but what followed was even more disturbing. Public calls were made urging people to attack the children and grandchildren of political families, not leaders, children. I ask this sincerely. In any democracy, is calling for violence against children ever tolerable? Germany has clear laws against incitement, threats, and hate speech. When such statements are made publicly and are on record, they demand serious legal review. I respectfully urge the German authorities to examine this material and take any action they deem appropriate under German law. This is not about politics. This is about protecting children, upholding the rule of law, and rejecting extremism. Silence allows violence to grow. Accountability through lawful institutions is the only path forward. Here is the video. Check it out and thank you for watching.
तिमीहरू के गर भने तिमीहरू युथहरुले यो युथको बदला युथसँग लिने हो किनभने देखि नेताले आफू मरे इनलाई त पशुताउनी र इनलाई त त्यो जिन्दगीभर तडपिनी गर्नुपर्छ इनका छोराछोरी खोज्दै मार जहाँ छ 10 वर्षको टाइममा यो अहिले जो हामीलाई चाहिँ दुःख दियाछ नि राजालाई फ्याँकी सकिसकेपछि वीरेन्द्रको परिवारलाई सिध्याइसकेपछि हैन त्यसपछि यो मोज गरेर आउने जति पनि छन् नि इनहरु यो नेताका छोराछोरीहरु नाति नातिनाहरु को छन् इनहरुलाई चाहिँ खोज्दै सक नुवाकोटे दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरु पनि जाग प्रकाश चन्द्र लोनी अर्जुन नरसिंह केसी इनहरुलाई चाहिँ खोजी मार बाउआमा मुलाहरु त आफै मर्छन् केही टेन्सनै छैन इनको छोरछोरीलाई खोजी यस्तोसँग के जिन्दगी भर देखाउने गरी